Hello friends, good day. Today we will see about the front view arrangement and their functions in C-plan solution. How we can optimize our GA in C-plan solution and their different methods and each and every tab function. So open the front view. First we have to select the board. For which board we want to draw front view. Now there are number of boards available. So this blue line shows or indicates that this board we have selected. Suppose that PMCC1 we want to generate GA for that PMCC1 board. So I just selected that PMCC1 and click on open board. After that it is asking for the F4.5 and F4.6 execution. If board is double front, in that case that is not applicable and we have selected double front board. Hence these fields are disabled. After that you can save that panel setting. Then you have to click on edit arrangement button. Once you have click on edit arrangement button, very firstly you have to click on auto arrange. When you click on auto arrange, the system will arrange the feeders as per the software arrangement. In that particular field, now we will see one by one. That is the checkboxes available here at top of the line. This indicates twin signal, means if you want vertical dropper in sharing in between two columns or two verticals, in that case you can just put that checkbox. Now see here, in between 2 and 3 there is a twin mark. This checkbox is tick. That means the vertical dropper in between is in sharing. That is the twin execution. Then we can see the depth of panel, width of panel and which execution of that particular vertical at the top of that particular verticals. Then again there is a one checkbox at this place. That what is indicate this checkbox? Now you see that this checkbox indicates the shipping section for transport purpose, from where we want to cut our panel, where we want the shipping section, that we can select manually by simply clicking this checkbox. According to that, what is the impact we will see in drawing. Now if our board is double front, in that case firstly display number of seats in front side, then number of seats of rear side. This is our front side, this is our rear side. So suppose we want to reshuffle that feeders, that also we can reshuffle according to our requirement by simply drag drop with the help of mouse. So this is the system generated GA. Suppose we want to arrange it as per our requirement. So first, that is the necessary conditions. You have to remove that twin marking first. Suppose you forget to remove that twin marking and you have directly click on that manual arrange checkbox. Software will give alarm message before dragging remove the twin marking. Now you just click on manual arrange checkbox. Once you click on that manual arrange checkbox, you can arrange your feeders. Simply drag and drop with the help of your mouse. According to that you have done, you have to click on autocorrect. In autocorrect process, what happen? The all executions, whatever you have, the position changes here and there. According to that positions, your executions and dimensions will get refreshed for your drawing. So first, suppose this is, we have only drag and drop in front and front side, but suppose you want to drag and drop that feeders front to rear and rear to front, then how to do that, that we will see. Suppose I want to take this 5.5 kW dual feeder on rear side, so I just drag it, go on seat rear 2, then simply drop here where I required that. Accordingly, that I have arranged. Suppose this 32 ampere I want on front side, so I will just click it by with the help of mouse and just go on seat 1. Then where I required, I just drag it and interchange that two feeders. This is the one method. Once complete your final arrangement, again you have to remove your manual arrangement tick, and where you want the vertical dropper in sharing, that you can provide, else all vertical droppers are taking separately. If you require twin panel, you have to just click on that twin checkbox, and finally you have to click on autocorrect. Once you have done or perform autocorrect, all executions dimensions get refreshed as per your final arrangement. Now you are ready to draw your front view. Before that, I want to explain one more thing to you. At very bottom hand side, there is some numbers available. In that case, what is indicated by these numbers, that is the total sum of the current rating of that all verticals. Suppose this is the 1600 ampere ACB, so total sum of that vertical is 1600 ampere. Now here 32 ampere MCCB is there, then two dual feeders is there. According to that motor feeder, software have calculated their current rating, and that display at the bottom. Similarly for vertical number 3. Also there is one checkbox. What is the meaning of that checkbox? Suppose you want the additional adapter in between that verticals. In that case, you just tick on that checkbox, then new pop-up window will come. It will ask the width for adapter, 150 mm adapter you require or 560 mm adapter. And last option is that suppose you want to swap complete vertical. In that case, you can directly use swap option. Suppose we want to swap that two verticals, 2F and 3F, interchange with each other. Then simply we can put here 2F and 3F and click on swap. Then software is asking reconfirm shipping marking. Once your final arrangement according to your requirement is done, then you have to click once on autocorrect. It will refresh your executions according to the final arrangement. Then you can click on draw front view. It will take a time for few minutes because it will directly generate your front view as per your design. This is our final engineering GA, which is drawn totally automatically as per our requirement. Whatever we have selected and rearranges our feeders on front view compartment like screen. You can see a rear view also. This is the rear side, 1R, 2R, 3R, and this is the front side, 1F, 2F and 3F. Accordingly, all gland details, panel depth and fixing details also drawn totally automatically here. So it is very easy to generate front view by using this C-Plan tool. Thanks for watching this video.